It's a happy Sunday, dear fam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be dealing with few pairs. I'm going to be starting first with the dollar index. So in the dollar index, guys, I've already analyzed the dollar index, and I'm going to just put you through it. So with the dollar index, guys, the overall trend that I see is that we was in an uptrend. The overall trend that I see is that we are in an uptrend. That's the overall trend that I see. We are in an uptrend. Guys, please forgive me, it is load shedding this side again. I don't know, we have some power cuts and the network is very much slower. So the network is very much slower. Please forgive me for that. As I said, that we have an uptrend that I see on the dollar index. We are in an uptrend on the daily time frame, and since we are in an uptrend, we're going to be dealing with the daily candlesticks specifically. So our daily candlestick is that I see we have a bearish daily candlestick pattern. It is bearish, and the market is kind of going down, just to retest maybe this level over here. Let me relax, just to relax. Yes sir. Okay, we're back now. So just to gain the momentum or strength of it, and it may potentially shoot up, but on the H4 time frame, as I move towards the H4 time frame, I see that the market broke resistance. What made this a resistance is that the market had a double top over here. As I look to my left, we have too many touches on my left. The market made a double top over there and came back down and got strength, showed up and broke that resistance, retested the resistance a bit, and then it showed up. It decided to come back down over here, just to come back down and retest this zone, and decided again to shoot up and break resistance, and supported on the resistance and showed up, gave us higher highs and higher low, gave us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and lower highs actually, and then decided to give us again higher highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower high, eventually lower low. What I'm expecting now, I'm expecting for a retracement towards here and come back down to where? To demand zone, which is aka support. So just to retest this resistance a little bit and come back here for a little bit. That's it for the dollar index. I can even go on the 1 hour time frame. On an hour time frame, I see that we had a short retest, but the retest is not complete yet because of it needs to align with the H4. I needed to align with the H4, and H4 we're going to be entering regarding on an H4 retest, then boom, we're good. So on gold, since we know that the dollar index is selling, gold is buying. Gold is buying. Gold is buying. Let me just now analyze gold properly for you guys. So basically what I see, gold is in an uptrend and a sort of a consolidation form. Where? On the daily time frame. So get uptrend and a consolidation formation. Why am I saying that we're in a consolidation formation also with gold? Is that on the daily time frame, gold is moving sideways. It is not moving exactly like higher highs and higher lows. It is moving sideways in between two places: support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, until gold decides to break above resistance or above support. Then we know definitely we have a change of character. It is a market structure shift on the daily time frame. But since what's best to that, with gold, we consolidation on the daily time frame within the smaller time frames, we are able to trade and find the correct direction for us, we are able to trade and find the correct direction for us to trade in. So I'm marking my support correctly. I'm trying to mark my support correctly, you know. Yes, sir. So what we're looking for again, guys, we're going to be looking specifically where? On the daily time frame candle. It is very important for me to look and monitor the daily candle because of since tomorrow it's Monday and it's a new week. Okay, let me leave this. Let me go to H4. Let me go to H4 and just zoom out a bit. The reason why I'm zooming out, I'm trying to see the market correctly, guys, like my support zones. I'm trying to mark my support zones correctly, you know. I want to mark my support correctly over here. I don't know if I'm marking it correctly or what, but I wanna zoom out, mark it correctly. It is very important to mark them correctly. So guys, the strategy that I'm using is a price action strategy, né? And I combine it with like breakout and retest strategy, né? There are other strategies that I'm learning. Currently the strategy that I'm trying to master now is the ICT strategy. I've been back testing it on US30, you know, aka Silver Bullet. I've been back testing it, but yeah. So H4 time frame, what I say is that support is supported correctly, and now here's another zone. There's another zone. I see the price has been moving higher high, lower high, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, came back where? To lower low, to the support zone, and created higher high, a lower high, lower low, lower high, mess, lower low. This lower low, lower high. I made a mistake. But I'm just gonna do this, you know. Continue with it. Higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, which is the head and shoulders signal that I gave to the group. I'm just gonna place it over here and show you guys, which is the head and shoulder pattern that I gave to the group last week. So what I expected from this head and shoulder, I expected the head and shoulder to be complete, retest and go push, you know, and give us that. That's what I expected to give us, but we ended up buying, of course, where in the exact formation of the neckline. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys where I gave the signal. There, left neck and right neck. Here's the head and shoulder that I saw. Head and shoulders pattern that I saw. This is the head of... Guys, I'm not gonna do many pairs. I'm just gonna analyze few pairs. I'm not gonna draw it exactly precisely like that I drew it last week, but I think yeah, it will make sense. You know, it was some upper, then yeah, that's the head and shoulders pattern that I gave the signal of last week. So Sorry guys. Sorry. This is where I gave the signal. I think I gave it till over there. And we're currently in a trade. No. So that's how I gave the signal last week. So now guys, what I'm gonna be waiting for on this is that since we broke resistance, this resistance over here, and we played up, assas. Let me do this. We played in the upper. We played in the upper. So with NFP, this is the NFP candle. NFP for buys for gold. NFP just came where with the wick and touched there, but it did not fully touch. So price is looking forward to go and continue. But since tomorrow it's Monday, and the market might do its thing, whereby the market will try by all means to make sure that it comes where it comes from, where it is, to come and retest this zone properly, to come and retest this support properly, and then shoot up. That's the first thought that I'm seeing that might happen in the market. The second one is that let me please this correctly. The second one is that, my guys, I'm just trying to view the market correctly before I talk. I need to talk what I see. Okay, I see now. Another resistance was broken out. This is the resistance. You have to check. Okay, another resistance was broken out. Why am I saying this is a resistance formation? Is that we rejected it and supported it and came where, break that resistance, turned the resistance to support, price eventually showed up, and price eventually came down where and played towards this resistance twice. So here price decided to break this resistance. What are we going to be looking for? We're going to be looking for this now, guys, for this retest. Okay, for this retest, then shoot up, continue, then we're done with the buys for gold. That's what I'm going to be seeing, you know. Another one, if price fails to support over here, it might come and support kwalapha nje lento mengithethe lapha emini. Price might come, you know. That's it, guys. That's it for gold. Yeah, that's it for gold. So I'm going to be switching up to other pairs. The AUDUSD. But the AUDUSD, I've already analyzed the AUDUSD. Let me tell you the story of AUDUSD. So the story for AUDUSD, guys, is that our daily candle is bullish. Now, since our daily candle is bullish, it might be coming where to look and retrace with the bearish nyana, but continue with the buys towards the resistance on the upper side. So with AUDUSD is that I see also we had a sort of a small consolidation formation in which we ended up breaking resistance and tried to turn it into support. We have to try to turn into support before we can continue with more buys, before I can be fully sure with them buys. You see, what I'm looking forward here, I'm just looking for the retest. I'm just looking for the retest. Then we go on and about with our Euro USD. Euro USD. Yeah, $2. So with the story of Euro USD, this is what I saw on Euro USD with that. Like, guys, I don't want to lie with you guys. You know, the few weeks that have passed, I lost money where over here. I tried to sell in the zone. I tried to force sellers in the zone because I didn't notice this resistance, the support zone over here previously. We have 3 touches that I didn't notice. 3 touches that I didn't notice. Touch 1, touch 2, touch 3. You know, I only focused on this resistance whereby I was forcing my sellers on the resistance, in which it blowed me. Then I tried to blow for buys again, as in which you can see this fair value gap, this gap over here. Price broke out and price came back where to this gap, and still I entered with sellers over here and came down, but price rejected again, whereby I was thinking like we are going to be coming down, but no, price decided to shoot up and shoot up and shoot up, in which I closed Euro USD with a loss, which is totally my fault for playing a blind eye and for being ignorant towards the charts. You know, I've played a blind eye and I was ignorant for the charts, to listen to the charts. What was the charts telling me? So with Euro USD, this is what I usually see. This is what I'm saying it may do. This is what I'm saying Euro USD might do. Don't touch my pockets, boy. Don't touch my pockets. You know, if I'm wrong, if I'm wrong at this technical analysis, Euro USD might go above, retest, continue with them buys. But it has not actually given me reasons for it to believe it will buy. Reason being is I'm gonna be checking. As I'm gonna be checking where my daily time frame. As I'm gonna be checking, my daily time frame is dead. The trend that I'm seeing is a downtrend. The daily time frame trend that I'm seeing is a downtrend. So price might be looking for a third touch. That's why I'm saying there's no reason for me to believe we're gonna go too long for too long. Price might be looking just for touching Yana towards this resistance, then go down. It might spike up actually. Price might spike up. You know. Price might spike up and come back down. But we're ready for anything. We're forex traders, man. Like, we have to be ready for losses. We're forex traders, bro. We're forex traders. So psychology is very important also. So yeah, guys, that's it for Euro USD. I've explained it correctly. I'm just going to be posting and giving the signal towards the group in what we're expecting. Like for buys, I'm not going to be chasing the markets and waste money on this. So I'm just going to be like, you know, eased up with it and wait until for it to reach resistance, then come back down. That's what I'm just going to be doing. So US 30, I was, oh shit, excuse guys. Pause.
Sorry guys, as I was saying, with US 30, as you guys see how much I did my Qatar like this, I was practicing a strategy called the Silver Bullet from the ICT, and I must say guys, the strategy is a killer. The strategy is a killer. The ICT Silver Bullet strategy, it's a killer, man. I've been practicing it. But overall, my analysis, I'm expecting bulls over here. Ne? So I'm expecting bulls over here. But like overall, as you guys can see, the back test that I was doing, the strategy is fire, guys. The fair value gaps, dog, the strategy is fire. I don't wanna lie. I've been currently doing, but and that's a story for another day. Let me just continue monitoring and practicing it. Then I decided to actually put it on my real account. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's it from me to you. My name is Anati. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm signing what? Should I do the wait first before I say no? I think I should do the GBP USD analysis. Let me just analyze GBP USD. So with the GBP USD, guys, we're in a bullish trend. You know, the overall market structure is telling us what? Bullish trend. And we had a fake out, which is this one. We are in a bullish trend. The reason being I'm saying we're in a bullish trend is that we have unfinished business. The market previously touched over here, but never came back again to the zone. So the market is looking for a reason for it to come to the zone and continue with the sellers. You know? Then continue with them sellers. Let me just analyze this fast. You know? I enjoy my work, guys. I don't wanna lie with you. I enjoy my work. As a technical analysis, I enjoy it. So with GBP USD is that our daily candlestick is bullish. Since tomorrow is a new week, we are going to be kinda ish as you know the vibes of the markets. Patla. I'm sorry about this, guys. I have to pause again. Sorry guys, I'm back. Sorry about this. I'm cooking and like kwanza ngantoni my hands are slippery. My hands are slippery. Guys, also on Euro USD, we might be expecting a retest, a proper retest this time, before the market can decide. Before the market can decide to eventually buy. This is what might happen with the Euro USD. That's what might happen, you know. That's what might happen. This is what I say might happen, you know. Yeah, man. It's time for me to go to monk mode, whereby I do everything that I said I'm going to be doing. Every goal, every single inch of a goal that I said I'm going to be doing. Shit, I'm going to be conquering it. I am going to be conquering it. So guys, I'm expecting really a retest over here. Since tomorrow it's Monday, we might get bears, short bears. Then we might continue. Then price might continue with them bulls. It's so easy to analyze, it's so easy to understand price action, you know. It's so easy to understand price action. Just see what the markets are willing to do. Just see that, then we're fine. We're gonna be fine. Currently with forex trading, I'm not where I want to be yet, but I know I'm going to be where I want to be. Very soon one day. The goals that I said I'm going to reach, I am going to reach them. So guys, from me to you, Anati, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm signing out.